So let's start with examples or applications of chemical equilibrium. First is preparations of ammonia by Haber's process. Once again, N2 plus 3 mole of H2, you get 2 mole of ammonia. In this, nitrogen combined with hydrogen to form ammonia. The yield of ammonia is more at low temperature and high pressure in the presence of iron as a catalyst. So N2 plus 3 mole of H2, in presence of iron you get 2 mole of ammonia. And second most important, preparation of sulfuric acid by contact process, platinum used as a catalyst. In this process, the fundamental reaction is the oxidation of sulfur dioxide, that is SO2 plus O2 gives SO3, that is sulfur trioxide. This involves the chemical equilibrium. So these are the two industrial applications where equilibrium is directly involved. Last topic के ऊपर switch over होते हैं, that is equilibrium constant, reaction quotient and Gibbs free energy. Gibbs free energy you already discussed in chapter number 6, that is G is equal to minus 2.303 RT log K. उसी के बारे में डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करना है. लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट K, रिएक्शन कोशेंट Q एंड गिब्स फ्री एनर्जी G. K is the ratio of this relative amount of product to reactant at equilibrium. हम K क्या लिखते हैं? Product concentration divided by the reactant concentration. So K is the ratio of relative amount of product to the reactant equilibrium, while Q is the ratio at any point of time of this reaction. Q क्या है? Any time, quotient concentration. इसका दूसरा नाम अगर आपको लेना है तो आप ले सकते हो instantaneous. Word is instantaneous, at particular instant. अब मैं एक सिंपल लेमन एग्जांपल में बताता हूं. Let's take example A plus B gives C plus D. This reaction complete at approximately 100 minutes. 100 मिनट के बाद A and B डिकम्पोज हो जाएगा and you get C and D. मान लीजिए suddenly at 22 minutes, if you want to find out the concentration of reactant and product, तो वो Kc नहीं होगा, Qc होगा. Why? Because this is at the rate of 22 minutes. Fine. Many a times in cricket you found at 25 over, India at here, Australia at here. So that is the comparison. You cannot give the concluding answer. वहां से कोई predict नहीं कर सकता है कि जीत जाएंगे या हार जाएंगे. Just because this is a simple comparison at 25 over. So likewise here in case Q क्या बताया हुआ है देखिए, while Q is the ratio at any point of time of this reaction, means 22 minutes पे concentration of reactant and product, वहां से आप assume नहीं कर सकते हो कि rate of forward है या rate of backward है. बट हाँ, कुछ चीज आप assume कर सकते हो. वो क्या है? वो फैक्टर नीचे पढ़ते हैं. The value Q can be compared to K to determine the direction of reaction takes place. Important, Q की वैल्यू से आप कंपेयर कर सकते हो K के साथ, which direction means forward direction में जाएगा या backward direction में जाएगा. The spontaneity of this process is related to this free energy change, that is delta G. Spontaneity of process is nothing but delta G. Delta G क्या है? Gibbs free energy. K क्या है? Equilibrium constant. And Q क्या है? Reaction quotient. Now relationship क्या है? वो नीचे है. देखिए सबसे पहले if delta G less than 0, QC is less than KC और KP. KP किसके लिए? अगर gaseous species हुई तो solid and liquid के लिए KC. At the start of this reaction, the reaction will proceed to form product. Means this is rate of forward reactions takes place. Product formation होगा अगर QC less than KC हुआ तो. इफ डेल्टा जी इज इक्वल टू 0, सबको पता है के सी इज इक्वल टू क्यू सी हो जाएगा, एंड सिस्टम इज इन इक्विलिब्रियम. नो मोर चेंजेस ऑफ कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ मिक्सचर. इक्विलिब्रियम पे क्या होगा? द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट एंड प्रोडक्ट आर सेम. थर्ड पॉइंट, इफ डेल्टा जी ग्रेटर देन 0, QC is greater than KC or KP, after the equilibrium the reaction will proceed direction to form reactant. So this is called rate of backward reactions takes place. ये सेम चीज चैप्टर नंबर 6 थर्मोडायनेमिक्स में भी पढ़ाई गई थी. डेल्टा जी लेस देन 0, रेट ऑफ फॉरवर्ड रिएक्शंस टेक्स प्लेस. डेल्टा जी इज इक्वल टू 0, सिस्टम इज इन एन इक्विलिब्रियम, एंड डेल्टा जी ग्रेटर देन 0, रेट ऑफ बैकवर्ड रिएक्शंस टेक्स प्लेस. So this is all about your all the three comparison. Kc equilibrium constant measure in mole per liter. Kp equilibrium constant calculated from the partial pressure. So this is all about before equilibrium, at equilibrium and after equilibrium. So before equilibrium Qc छोटा होगा, Kc बड़ा होगा. Qc and Kc दोनों सेम हो जाएगा equilibrium पे, और after equilibrium Qc बड़ा होगा and Kc छोटा होगा. So this is all about your comparison. So equilibrium constant for the prediction or the direction of reaction. The equilibrium constant can be used to predict the direction of this reaction. We need term reaction quotient, that is QC, at particular moment. So QC is expressed in term of concentration, and QP obviously gaseous species के लिए concentration नहीं होगा, pressure होगा. तो QP is termed as a partial pressure similar to this equilibrium constant. Now let's take example. A of A, B of B gives C of C plus D of D. So where capital A and B are the reactant, capital C and D are the product, small a and small b are the coefficients of the reactant, small c and small d are the coefficients of the product. So the reaction quotient QC क्या होगा? Product concentration divided by reactant concentration, that is C to the power C D to the power D divided by A to the power A B to the power B. QP क्या होगा? प्रेशर टर्म है, तो प्रेशर ऑफ C रेस टू द C, प्रेशर ऑफ D रेस टू द D डिवाइडेड बाय प्रेशर A रेस टू A, प्रेशर B रेस टू B. सेम कंपैरिजन जो ऊपर हमने देखा. इफ Q इज इक्वल टू KC means QC or QP is equal to KC or KP, then system is in an equilibrium. Now Q is greater than KC, Q will tend to decrease, so this become equal to K. As a result, reaction will becomes the backward reaction. So QC is greater than KC, rate of backward reactions takes place. And last, if QC is less than KC, rate of forward reactions takes place. This is all about your comparison of QC and KC, and this is all about your last topic of equilibrium. अब KC and QC के बेस के ऊपर कुछ न्यूमेरिकल है, वो भी डिस्कस करना है, एंड सिंपल KC and KP के और भी कुछ न्यूमेरिकल इंडेक्सेस में है, वो भी डिस्कस करना है. सो नेक्स्ट सेशन में हम डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करेंगे न्यूमेरिकल बेस्ड ऑन KC and KP. This is all about your today's session. Thank you.